Hello viewers, I welcome you from Pellicola Regional Science Center and Planetarium. In this video, we will demonstrate some basic optical phenomena using optics kit. This kit consists of a box. Inside this box, we have a bulb and a convex lens are kept at a distance which is equal to the focal length of the convex lens. One side of the box has a window where you can place slit. If you place a slit which is having 3 openings or a triple slit, we will get parallel beams of light. There is a screen which is attached to the box. Here we can observe parallel beams of light. It is because we have kept the light source at a distance which is equal to the focal length of the convex lens. When we place a convex lens on the path of parallel beam, we can observe convergence of light beam. After passing through convex lens, light ray bend towards the principal axis and concentrate at one point, and the point is called principal focus. If we place a concave lens on the path of parallel beam, then we can observe divergence of light beam. After passing through concave lens, light beam bend away from principal axis. Convergence of light can also be seen using concave mirror. When we place a concave mirror on the path of parallel beam, we can observe convergence of light beam. After reflecting from the surface of concave mirror, light rays concentrate at one point, and the point is called principal focus of concave mirror. Divergence of light can be seen using convex mirror. If we place a convex mirror on the path of parallel beam, then we observe divergence of light. Light rays, after reflecting from the surface of convex mirror, will bend away from the principal axis. A base-to-base prism or a plus lens can be constructed by prism arranged base to base. When light passes through a prism, it deviates towards the base. It emerges to form a plus lens, converging. If we construct a base in configuration, it leads to convergence of light beam. A apex to apex prism or a minus lens is constructed of prisms arranged apex to apex. When light passes through the prism, it bends towards the base and emerges diverging. Let us replace a triple slit by a single slit. So we will get single beam to demonstrate loss of reflection. To demonstrate loss of reflection, we use a protractor. A piece of mirror is attached to its base. If the light ray incident perpendicular to its path, then a reflected ray comes back in the same path, and it is called normal. You can observe that incident ray, the normal and reflected ray, all in the same plane. If incident ray making some angle, say 20 degree, then reflected ray also making 20 degree with the normal. That is, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Periscope is an instrument used to observe the objects which prevented by direct line of sight. It is an assembly of two parallel mirrors placed at an angle of 45 degree to the path of light ray. It obeys the laws of reflection. Light ray incident on upper mirror is reflected, and again it is reflected by the bottom mirror. Observe, incident ray and emergent ray are parallel. Let us observe refraction through glass slab. If the light beam incident normal to the surface of glass slab, then it goes straight. If the light ray incident to the glass surface with some angle with respect to the normal, then we can observe a part of light get reflected at the surface of the glass slab and part of light get refracted. The ray inside the glass slab is refracted ray. It bends towards the normal because when light enters from air medium to glass medium, that is rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Again, the ray inside the glass slab get refracted when it enters the air medium. Here, light ray bends away from the normal because it is moving from denser medium to the rarer medium, that is glass medium to the air medium. You can observe the incident ray and the emergent ray are parallel. You have already seen refraction through glass slab. Now you observe the ray inside the glass slab. When it enters the air medium, it bends away from the normal. When a ray of light moves from glass medium to air medium, that is denser medium to rarer medium, at a particular angle of incidence, it grazes the surface of glass medium, that is it grazes the surface of denser medium. That angle of incidence when it grazes the surface of denser medium is called critical angle. If the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then light ray gets reflected inside the same medium and it is called total internal reflection. To demonstrate rules of reflection, we use a concave mirror on a board. If the incident light beam is parallel to the principal axis of concave mirror, after reflection, it passes through the principal focus or focal point of concave mirror. If the incident light beam passes through the focal point of concave mirror, then reflected ray will be parallel to the principal axis. If the incident ray passes through C or center of curvature, then the reflected ray goes along the same direction. If incident ray makes some angle at the pole with respect to principal axis, then reflected ray also makes the same angle with the principal axis.